Apple Cash allows you to send, receive, and store money digitally. Cashing out involves transferring these funds to your bank account. This video covers how to do that, including standard transfers and the increasingly popular instant transfer options. We'll explain everything you need to know to access your funds quickly and securely. Before you can cash out Apple Cash, you first need to link a bank account to your Apple Pay wallet. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. Next, tap on your Apple Cash card in the Wallet app. Then tap the More button, which looks like three dots. Select Bank Accounts from the menu options. Follow the prompts to add your account details. You'll likely need your routing number and account number, which you can find on a check. Finally, Apple may require verification for security purposes, so be prepared with your information. To start a standard transfer, first open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Then tap your Apple Cash card to access its details. Select the Transfer to Bank option from the menu. Enter the amount you want to transfer, with a minimum of $1. Confirm your linked bank account for the transfer. Finally, tap the Transfer button to complete the request. This standard transfer method is free of charge, but typically takes 1 to 3 business days to complete. For faster access to your funds, use the Instant Transfer option. Start by opening the Wallet app and tapping your Apple Cash card. Then select Transfer to Bank and choose the Instant option. This requires a linked debit card from participating banks like JP Chase or Wells Fargo. Note that your bank may charge a small fee between $0.25 and $1 for this instant service. The daily limit is up to $1,000, and funds usually arrive in your bank account in under 30 minutes. If you encounter problems cashing out Apple Cash, start by checking your internet connection to ensure a stable connection is available. Also, verify that your Apple Cash balance is sufficient to cover the transfer amount you are attempting. If your transfer appears delayed, contact your linked bank directly to inquire about the status of the transaction. For any persistent issues that cannot be resolved through these steps, reach out to Apple support for personalized assistance. Apple doesn't charge any fees for standard transfers to your bank account. However, when using instant transfers, your bank may apply a small fee, typically between 25 cents and $1. Daily transfer limits help manage risk and ensure smooth processing. You can transfer up to $10,000 through standard transfers each day, while instant transfers are limited to $1,000 per day. Apple prioritizes security with biometric verification using Face ID or Touch ID for all transfers. Additionally, advanced fraud detection, powered by artificial intelligence, monitors transactions to prevent unauthorized activity. For added peace of mind, your Apple Cash funds are protected by FDIC insurance, covering up to $250,000 in case of bank failure. As of December 2025, Apple Cash is available in the US, UK, and select European countries, including France, Germany, and Italy. This map shows the regions where Apple Cash cash-outs are supported. International transfers to European bank accounts use IBAN numbers and are processed through local banking systems. However, when transferring across currencies, you may encounter conversion fees calculated at current market exchange rates. Exchange rate fluctuations can affect the final amount you receive, so it's important to check current rates before initiating an international cash-out to minimize potential losses. Apple Cash is constantly evolving with new features and updates. Stay informed about the latest features, security updates, and fee structures by regularly checking Apple's official support documentation. This ensures you're using the service efficiently and securely. Keep an eye out for potential integrations with services like Apple Pay Later or even cryptocurrency in the future.